What's up, squids? Okay, here's the deal. I bought some stuff from Crossthreadcycles and some stuff from Revzilla back in October, between August and October of 2021, and I just had them piling up and I haven't had time to do an unboxing, or I had time to install them. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick unbox, well, more like an unbagging, because some of this stuff came in bags and it came in one box. Then I'm gonna go take some pictures for Instagram. I think I'm gonna use the bike. I'm gonna put them on the bike right here on the back, that maroon. I don't know yet, or I may put them on the gauges. I haven't decided what or where to put them to take nice product pictures. I'm just gonna have some fun with it. But right now, let me get into the bagging, unboxing, whatever. These are the levers, the brake and clutch lever. Oh, you'll see a better picture of this when I'm gonna take an Instagram picture and I'm gonna post that picture right here. So you'll see that, you'll get better pictures of these. All right, so that's that one bag with the levers. Let's see what's in this bag. Oops, there goes my phone. And this, what the hell is this? Oh, these are I guess these are coffin pegs. They sent me a sticker. Thank you, Crossthread, for the sticker. So they sent these coffin pegs. So I need Loctite. I think this came with Loctite already. Yeah. So here's the deal. I was trying to get these in bronze, but I was unable to get them in bronze, so I had to end up getting them in gold. But it doesn't look too far off the bronze color, so that's not terrible. What the hell is it? Oh, and these are the lights. I bought these lights off of Crossthread as well. So these are the front four-way lights, indicators. So these are for the front. So that's the unbagging of these so far. And thank you for the sticker, Crossthread. Unfortunately, I don't have my knife on me. I can't find it. I have a lot of knives. I just wasn't worried about trying to find one, so just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Just pop it open. So I had these for months sitting in storage, and I never installed them. So these are the bronze RNS grips. So I got these in bronze, but I wasn't able to get anything else in bronze. So these are the RNS grips in bronze. So when I go to install these, I'm gonna have to get some kind of adhesive to put these on so they don't slip and slide. Some people use hair spray. I guess I could use that. So there will be a install video coming of all these. I know you've seen like 1 million install videos already. So you know what? Here's 1,000,001. All right, I'm gonna take the pictures now and I'm gonna post them up on Instagram, and I'm gonna post them up on this same video too. All right, let's do this. Trying to find a nice spot. Probably this crack. Use this crack as a pattern for the backdrop. Take these pictures just like this. And that'll be the start of a nice backdrop. So let's do it. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call that a wrap. And remember, keep the sticky side down and shiny side up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.